នេះគឺជាផ្នែកខាងក្នុងនៃយន្តហោះ
This is the interior of the
F16
F16 Fighting Falcon. On the right side is the stick with all its
ផ្នែកខាងស្
functions.
ដាំវាគឺជាដំបងមួយដែលមានមុខងារទូនាទីទាំងអស់នៅលើដំបងមួយនេះព្រមទាំងចង្កូតវាផងដែរវាពិតជាគួរឲ្យចាប់អារម្មណ៍វាអាចផ្លាស់ទីបានដោយគ្រាន់តែរុញដំបងត្រឹមតែ 1/4 នៃមួយអ៊ីងតែប៉ុណ្ណោះវាមានន័យថាមិនបាច់រុញដំបងច្រើនទេគ្រាន់តែប្រហែល 1/4 អ៊ីងវាប្រហែលជា 6 មីលីម៉ែត្រក៏អាចបញ្ជាយន្តហោះបង្វិលខ្លាំងបានហើយដំបង F16 គឺជាដំបងចាប់កម្លាំងមិនមែនដំបងរុញឆ្ងាយៗនោះទេទោះបីជាដំបងបញ្ជា F16 ផ្លាស់ទីតិចតួចក៏ដោយកុំច្រឡំគិតថាវាខ្សោយឲ្យសោះវាអាចបញ្ជាយន្តហោះបានគ្រប់ទិសឲ្យឆាប់រហ័សគោលរបស់យន្តហោះ F16 វាលំអៀងទៅឆ្វេងឬស្ដាំមិនដូចឡាននោះទេដំបងឆ្វេងនឹងស្លាបឆ្វេងចុះយន្តហោះនឹងរមៀលមកឆ្វេងដំបងស្ដាំនឹងស្លាបស្ដាំចុះយន្តហោះនឹងរមៀលមកស្ដាំនេះគឺជា General Dynamic F16 Fighting Falcon យន្តហោះយោធាដែលផលិតច្រើនបំផុតនៅក្នុងប្រវត្តិសាស្ត្រវាបានបង្កើតឡើងប្រហែលជា 4,500 គ្រឿងទៅ 4,600 គ្រឿងបើយើងដកចេញពីការខូចខាតនិងការបាត់បង់ដោយសារសង្គ្រាមនោះបច្ចុប្បន្ននេះនៅក្នុងឆ្នាំ 2025 វាមានចំនួន 3,100 ទៅ 3,200 គ្រឿងនៅលើផែនដីយើងនេះ
Belgium, Denmark, the Netherlands, and Norway. It has a length of 14.8 meters or 49 feet 5 inches. Which was an engineering marvel.
F16 Fighting Falcon វាត្រូវបានរចនាឡើងដើម្បីជំនួស F14 Tomcat ដែលជាយន្តហោះចម្បាំងដ៏ល្បីល្បាញមួយរបស់កងទ័ពជើងទឹកវាត្រូវបានសាងសង់ក្រោមកិច្ចព្រមព្រៀងរវាងសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកនិង4ប្រទេសផ្សេងទៀតក្នុងនោះមានដូចជាប្រទេស Belgium, Denmark, Holland និង Norway វាមានប្រវែងមកគិតពីក្បាលមកកន្ទុយគឺមានបណ្ដោយ 14.8 ម៉ែត្រនិងស្លាបវាពីម្ខាងទៅម្ខាងមានប្រវែងសរុប 9.8 ម៉ែត្រកម្ពស់របស់វាពីដីទៅជង្គង់ពូលគឺមានកម្ពស់ 4.8 ម៉ែត្រវីដេអូក្រោយខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការប្រៀបធៀបជាមួយនឹងកម្ពស់យន្តហោះទាំង5នេះដូចជា F16 Azor Rafale Eurofighter Typhoon F14 Tomcat និង MiG 29របស់វាមានម៉ាស៊ីនតែមួយតែវាមានពហុទូនាទីហើយផ្នែកច្រមុះខាងមុខវាវិញនេះគឺវាបំពាក់ជាមួយនឹងរ៉ាដា Doppler រ៉ាដា Doppler គឺជារ៉ាដាមួយប្រភេទដែលប្រើបាតុភូត Doppler ដើម្បីធ្វើការបោះល្បឿននៃវត្ថុមួយដែលកំពុងបំលាស់ទីវាអាចដឹងពីល្បឿនមិនថាខ្យល់ព្យុះភ្លៀងពពករថយន្តវាអាចធ្វើការហោះឡើងផុតពីឲ្យផ្ទុកទម្ងន់អតិបរមាបាន 16,875 គីឡូក្រាមបើគិតជារថយន្ត SUV វិញវាប្រហែលជា 12 គ្រឿងហើយនេះគឺជាអេក្រង់ HUD display ឬ Hook display
Moving inside is the instrument cockpit as well as the
ejection seat ដែលវាមានមុខងារនៅពេលដែលយន្តហោះជួបគ្រោះថ្នាក់វានឹងធ្វើការរុញច្រានអ្នកបើកបរចេញពីយន្តហោះដោយស្វ័យប្រវត្តិតែម្ដងejection seat នេះគឺមាននៅក្នុងចំនួនទី4នៃយន្តហោះ F16 Block 70ដែលវាជាចំនួនចុងក្រោយគេបង្អស់
Just below the cockpit is this gun port and inside it houses the monstrous M61 Vulcan.
ផ្នែកស្លាបខាងឆ្វេងវានេះវិញមានបំពាក់ជាមួយកំភ្លើង M61 Vulcan ដែលវាអាចបាញ់បាន 6,000 គ្រាប់ត្រឹមតែរយៈពេល 1 នាទីតែប៉ុណ្ណោះឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំនាំបងប្អូនឲ្យមកស្គាល់ពី Top 5 ប្រទេសដែលមាន F16 ច្រើនជាងគេជា100 គ្រឿងនេះគឺជា Top 5 ប្រទេសដែលមានយន្តហោះ F16 ច្រើនជាងគេទី5នោះគឺ South Korea មាន 167 គ្រឿង Egypt មាន 218 គ្រឿង Israel 224 គ្រឿងទូគី 243 គ្រឿងនិងអាមេរិកមានរហូតដល់ 948 គ្រឿងប្រទេសសៀមមានយន្តហោះ F16 ពី 40 គ្រឿងទៅ 50 គ្រឿងនេះគឺជាការបរិច្ឆេទដែលសៀមធ្វើការកំងពេញពីសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកនៅត្រង់ចំណុចនេះខ្ញុំបានសិក្សានិងធ្វើការស្រាវជ្រាវទៅលើគេហទំព័រល្បីៗគឺបានចុះផ្សាយសុទ្ធតែដូចគ្នាទាំងអស់គឺ F16 នៅថៃមាន 40 ទៅ 50 គ្រឿងប៉ុន្តែมันអាចប្រើប្រាស់បានទាំងស្រុងនោះទេប្រើបានត្រឹមតែ 30 គ្រឿងឬតិចជាងនេះតែប៉ុណ្ណោះនៅក្នុង 30 គ្រឿងនោះគឺមានតែ 6 គ្រឿងតែប៉ុណ្ណោះដែលជាស៊េរីថ្មីទៅនឹង upgrade ដែលសៀមបានធ្វើការបញ្ជាទិញលើកចុងក្រោយគេចំណែកឯយន្តហោះផ្សេងៗនោះគឺសិតតែយន្តហោះនៅសល់ពី ការបញ្ជាទិញមុនទាំងអស់មិនទាន់
AI
upgrade នោះ
fully
ទេ
informed on breaking news. Try it out or subscribe through our link for 30% off.
ព័ត៌មានយោធាជាញឹកញាប់ស្ថិតនៅក្នុងតំបន់ពណ៌ប្រផេះ ដូច្នេះការវិតម្លៃប្រភពព័ត៌មានគឺមានសារៈសំខាន់ យើងប្រើប្រភពជាច្រើនដើម្បីបង្កើតវីដេអូមានគុណភាពដើម្បីផ្ដល់ព័ត៌មានដ៏ត្រឹមត្រូវនិងមានតុល្យភាពក្នុងវីដេអូរបស់ខ្ញុំប្រើប្រភពព័ត៌មានជាក់ស្ដែងបំផុតនិងមិនមានការលំអៀងដើម្បីទទួលបានអត្ថប្រយោជន៍ច្រើនបំផុតនោះទេខ្លឹមសារត្រឹមត្រូវនិងបានសិក្សាច្បាស់លាស់គ្រប់ព័ត៌មានដែលចេញពីករណី creator បងប្អូនអាចជឿជាក់និងទុកចិត្តបានហើយខ្ញុំមិនដែលបង្កើតមាតិកាពីមុនមកនោះទេនេះគឺជាវីដេអូទី1របស់ខ្ញុំហើយអ្វីដែលយើងមើលទៅដូចជាប្រុយនេះគឺជាអង់តែន IFF អង់តែន IFF គឺវាមកពីពាក្យថា Identification Friend or Foe វាមានតួនាទីបង្ហាញបញ្ជាក់ថាយន្តហោះនៅជុំវិញខ្លួនជាមិត្តឬក៏ជាសត្រូវនៅពេលដែលវាធ្វើប្រតិបត្តិការវានឹងបញ្ជូនព័ត៌មានជុំវិញទៅកាន់ IFF ដូចគ្នាប្រសិនបើជាយន្តហោះនោះមាន IFF កូដដូចគ្នានោះគឺវានឹងធ្វើការឆ្លើយតបមកវិញប្រសិនបើវាមិនមានការឆ្លើយតបនោះទេយើងអាចសម្គាល់បានថាវាជាមិត្តឬក៏ជាសត្រូវ
In order to save jet fuel during takeoff, altitude ascent, or battle maneuvers, the afterburner is only employed in short bursts. The exhaust nozzle is made up of petals and is designed to narrow or enlarge the distance between them as shown here in the animations. This is done to lessen the strain on the turbofan engines when they are in full afterburning mode. All that power is being fed by the massive number of 7 to 9 fuel tanks. Let us look at where they are placed. Fuel tank number 1 is located just behind the pilot's seat. This is the fuel tank number 2, also known as center fuselage. This is fuel tank number 3 and 4, also known as engine feed tank. Moving back, we have wing carry fuel tank numbers 5 and 6. It can also carry around 3 external tanks, 2 on the wings and 1 below the fuselage. So in total, we have around 9 fuel tanks, as shown here in the animations. How to start this fighter jet. This is the stick with all the buttons and functions as labeled here. But point to be noted, it moves in very little increment around a quarter of an inch as shown in the animations. Here on the left is the thruster. Just a quick reminder, this is not a proper way to start a $60 million jet, but it might get you off the ground. Step number 1. Turn on master. Step number 2. Flip on the jet fuel to start 2 option. Step number 3. Turn on RWR power. Step number 4. Put the artificial horizon to centered. Step number 5. Wait for the engine RPM to reach 20. Step number 6. Set the throttle to idle position as shown here in the animation. Step number 7. Unlock the throttle and push forward. Maybe you might get it off the ground. As the F-16 Fighting Falcon is a multi-role fighter jet, let's take a look at some of its weaponry and divide it into 3 groups. Number 1, air-to-air missiles. It can carry air-to-air missiles such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder, a short-range infrared-guided air-to-air missile, and the famous AIM-120, a medium-range radar-guided air-to-air missile. Number 2, air-to-surface missiles. AGM-65 Maverick. This air-to-surface missile is capable of engaging various ground targets such as tanks and other moving vehicle. Number 3, guided bombs. The GBU-39 is a small-diameter bomb animated in our recent videos. The F-16 jet releases a bomb, and after a few seconds, it opens its wing and flies towards the target using both GPS and laser guidance to reach its destination. Now let's look at the basic process of flying this jet. Point to be noted, this is a fly-by-wire system. If we pull this stick back towards like this, it makes the aircraft pitch upwards. If we push it forward, and the aircraft will pitch downwards. This happens because this movement of the stick drives a movement in the tailplane, also known as the stabilizer on F-16. If you move the stick left, the aircraft will roll to the left. The flaperon or aileron moving control surface at the trailing edge of the wing on the left-hand wing will deflect upwards, and the one on the right-hand wing will deflect downwards. This means you get less lift on the left side of the wing and more lift on the right wing, hence a roll. If you move the stick right, the aircraft will roll to the right. The flaperon or aileron moving control surface at the trailing edge of the wing on the right-hand wing will deflect upwards, and the one on the left-hand wing will deflect downwards. This means you get less lift on the right side of the wing and more lift on the left wing, hence a roll. In the footwell, and you can find the pedals. In flight, these control the rudder. Right foot forward, left foot back will cause the aircraft to yaw to the right. This happens because the rudder deflection results in total camber of the tail, so lift is generated to the right or left. Think of the tail as a wing on its side. The F-16 also uses leading edge slats. Drop down the front edge of the wing and you increase camber, so get more lift. Take it back up and you get less lift. Let's just say these are controlled automatically and work in conjunction with the flaperons. Let's look at how they fire the AIM-120 missiles. Step number 1. Turn on master arm. Step number 2. Select on air-to-air mode. Step number 3. Select AIM-120 AMRAAM as the required weapon. Step number 4. Lock the target. Step number 5. Press the release button. Step number 6. Aircraft will have to stay on course for around 4 seconds and wait until the missile goes pitbull. But lately nanobrevity code no longer requires its operator to maintain a radar track. Step number 7. You can use this gun or camera laser button on this stick just below the other controls. Squeezing this trigger opens fire the M61 Vulcan, which bursts out at high rate, typically 6,000 rounds per minute with a range of 600 meters or 2,000 feet. Here are some of its pros and cons. Pros. Multi-role capabilities. The F-16 is designed to perform various missions including air superiority, air-to-ground attacks, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. It can carry a wide range of weapons and has the ability to switch between different roles quickly. Maneuverability. The F-16 is known for its exceptional maneuverability, thanks to its high thrust-to-weight ratio, advanced aerodynamics, and fly-by-wire flight control system. It can perform tight turns and high-G maneuvers, making it effective in air-to-air combat. Avionics and sensors. The F-16 is equipped with advanced avionics and sensor systems, including a radar, electronic warfare suite, and targeting pods. These systems enhance situational awareness and provide the pilot with crucial information for effective mission execution. Global availability. The F-16 has been widely exported to numerous countries, which means that spare parts, maintenance support, and training are readily available in many regions. Now let's look at its cons. Limited range. The F-16 has a relatively limited range as it has a very low fuel capacity. Vulnerability. Due to its smaller size and limited stealth features, the F-16 may be more vulnerable to detection and engagement by advanced surface-to-air missile systems and radar-guided weapons. We make original 3D animation from scratch with honest hard work. So please support us by subscribing to help us produce more videos, just like this animation here.